So we're folding our hoop, we're folding it underneath, and we're bringing it to this point. We're going to push onto the back of our neck. Okay, and it's going to flip around it. As I do, I'm taking this hand away from inside the hoop. So I push and I remove my hand. So my right hand is in the hoop, my left hand is going to push, and I remove at the same time. So you can just practice doing that. So bring it up and push. Fold underneath, up to the side, up to the left, right hand in, push. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to extend our arm, because any place that the flip touches, so when it comes around, we want it to engage with the top of our shoulder. It will then go wherever you kind of lay the road, so to speak. So if I put my arm straight out, it should just climb down there. Okay, make sure your arm isn't bent and try not to get grabby. Okay. So once we've got that first part, we're going to add in an additional fold. So we've got fold number 1, where we're going behind and under. And then fold number 2, we're going to fold our arm like this, as opposed to having it straight out when we receive the coin flip. All right. So we're going to fold. When I fold it, you can see I don't have any gaps. Okay, so there's no, I'm not folding it like that. I'm also folding it and keeping it so that my palm is facing away from me, all right, which is also what you need to be doing. And the reason is you're going to catch it in your palm, so it's going to spin down here, you're going to catch it in your palm, and then you're just going to push it out of the area, all right? So I'm going to bend my knees to create some space, because this is 2021 and we're all at home. So there we go. So bending my knees, folding, got it here, fold. So I'm like this, and as I get it, I push my arm up and I pull it away. So from behind. And you can kind of pull yourself away from it as well to create a bit of drama. And you can go really big with it as well if you want to. I would love to see what you do with this move. There's plenty to play with. I love coin flips. So please do show me your progress online, and I will take a look. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.